Good evening, students. Now, Ms. Alicia is going to do a quick lesson on dividing a decimal by a whole number. Okay, our decimal is 3.526, which is also 3 and 526 thousandths. We're dividing that by a whole number 2. The first thing you do when you divide decimals is you take the decimal and you put it in the quotient. Take the decimal and put it in your quotient. So I'm going to move up the decimal in my quotient, and then I'm just going to divide like I've always been dividing in the past. So begin dividing. Put your multiplication sign right here. Okay, that's my invisible multiplication sign, and I will start dividing. You will say to yourself, what number times 2 will give me close to 3 without going over 3? 1 times 2 will give me 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. I hope you're with me so far. Next, bring down your 5. Then you will say, what number times 2 will give me close to 15 without going over 15? Yes, 7. 7 times 2 will give me 14. So put my 14, subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now I can bring down my 2. Then I say it to myself again. What number times 2 will give me close to 12 without going over 12? In this case, that number is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 12 is obviously 0. Okay? Now I'm going to bring down my 6. And I say to myself, what number times 2 will give me close to 6 without going over 6? So that number is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. I have no remainder. Okay? Always remember when you are dividing decimals, always move the decimal in the quotient first. That's what you need to do, dividing a decimal by a whole number. Okay? And then just start dividing like you've always learned to divide. My next video will be dividing a decimal by a decimal. And there's a little small step, okay? That's a little bit different than this. But simple. Move your decimal into the quotient and then divide like you've always been doing. You guys have been doing an excellent job. Ms. Alicia is very proud of you. Continue the good work and watch all the videos over and over again. Bye.